Hi friends, many people are preparing for SBA exam and many other bank exams. This banking news in the month of April is very much useful for that exams. If you want to download the PDF file in the below the video we have provided that, please check and download. According to World Bank report named Globalization Backlash, what is the expected growth rate of Indian economy for the financial year 2017 and 18? 7.2%. It will increase from 6.8% of previous fiscal year growth rate. President of World Bank is Jim Yong Kim and the head office of World Bank is located at Washington DC, United States. Which financial institution launched its revamped website with user-friendly features and compatible with all desktop and mobile devices? SEBI, Securities and Exchange Board of India. The chairman of SEBI is Ajay Tyagi and the head office is located at Mumbai. Which bank has recently announced the opening of its IFSC banking unit at Gujarat International Finance Tech City, popularly known as GIFT City? That bank name is RBL Bank, and the head office of RBL Bank is located at Kolhapur, Maharashtra. And the MD and CEO of RBL Bank is Vishwavir Ahuja, who has been appointed as new MD and CEO of LIC Housing Finance. Vinay Shah. Which mobile company has been signed a MOU with Airtel and BSNL to set up 5G internet speed in India and fast internet ecosystem in the country? Nokia. The Finance Ministry has approved how much percentage of interest on EPF deposits in 2016-17? 8.65%. In which two states the Reserve Bank of India has set up two new offices of banking ombudsman? Jammu and Kashmir and Chhattisgarh. Recently, which financial organization of India has signed MOU on supervisory cooperation and exchange of supervisory information with the Royal Monetary Authority of Bhutan, the Reserve Bank of India? The MOU was signed by Mr. Fazl Dorji, Deputy Governor on behalf of Royal Monetary Authority of Bhutan, and S.S. Mundra, Deputy Governor on behalf of Reserve Bank of India. Which bank has introduced UPI payments on the multi-bank payment app Chiller? HDFC Bank. Some of the important details about HDFC Bank. The CEO of HDFC Bank is Aditya Puri and the tagline of HDFC Bank is "We understand your world," and the head office is located is at Mumbai. UPI is an instant payment system developed by the National Payments Corporation of India to enable faster money transfer between any two parties or bank accounts. Which is the new framework that RBI has issued to resolve the problem of NPAs or bad loans? Revised Prompt Correction Action Framework. Under the revised framework, if a bank crosses the third level of risk threshold, it will either be amalgamated or merged or taken over by another entity. The Income Tax Department has launched which initiative to detect black money generation post demonetization? Operation Clean Money. CBDT has decided the flow of black money into the banks over 9,334 crore rupees between November 9, 2016 and February 28, 2017. Which bank has entered into an agreement with Flyvold Money Exchange to facilitate remittances by Indian expatriates in Australia? South Indian Bank. And the head office of South Indian Bank is located at Thrissur in Kerala state, and the CEO of South Indian Bank is VG Matthew, and tagline is Experience Next Generation Banking. Who has been appointed as new MD and CEO of Karnataka Bank Limited? Mahabaleshwara Mavinakudigi Subramanian. The head office of KBL Bank is located at Mangalore, and the tagline is Family Bank Across India. Which bank has been honored with IBA Indian Banks Association Banking Technology Awards 2017 in February 2017? Karnataka Bank Limited. The winner is Best Financial Inclusion Initiatives category is Karnataka Bank Limited, and runner is Best Use of Digital and Channels Technology category, also Karnataka Bank Limited. It has been honored with 2 awards. Name the web portal which has been launched by IRDAI that allows insurers to register and sell policies online. isnp.irda.gov.in. IRDA chairman is T.S. Vijayan and the head office of IRDA is located at Hyderabad. Recently, who has been taken the whole-time membership of Insolvency and Bankruptcy Board of India? Dr. Mukulita Vijayavargiya. Which online e-commerce portal got RBI approval to set up e-wallet to make online payments? Amazon India. Amazon Pay. The Union Ministry has released how much amount to states under MGNREGS for this financial year 2017-18? 23,443 crore rupees. MGNREGS means Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Scheme. The Union Minister for Rural Development, Narendra Singh Tomar, is the head of MGNREGS. Who took charge as the Executive Director of the Reserve Bank of India? Malvika Sinha. According to World Economic Forum report, India stood at which position in Travel and Tourism Competitiveness Report 2017 among 136 countries? India stood at 40th rank and Spain is at first position. The non-banking financial company Manappuram Finance has launched its own co-branded prepaid card to promote its digital transactions by collaborating with which bank? Yes Bank. Manappuram Yes Bank Prepaid Money Card. And the head office of Yes Bank is located at Mumbai and the CEO of Yes Bank is Mr. Rana Kapoor and tagline is Experience Our Expertise. How much amount was sanctioned by National Mission for Clean Ganga to reduce the river's pollution load under the center's Namami Gange program? 2,154.28 crore rupees. Totally 26 projects approved under this program. Which bank's customer has won 1 crore rupees under the Modi government's promotional scheme Pradhan Mantri Lucky Grahak Yojana to popularize digital payments? Central Bank of India's customer. He got 1 crore rupees for 1590 rupees transaction from Central Bank of India. And second prize 50 lakhs prize Bank of Baroda customer. Which popular e-commerce platform is buying eBay India business in exchange for an equity stake that eBay has agreed to make $500 million cash demonetization investment in and sell its eBay.in business, Flipkart. The cash payments of over how much amount made during 50-day post-demonetization has to be disclosed in the new one page of income tax return form, 2 lakhs. According to which report, it has mentioned that the India's internet economy will be doubled to $250 billion by the year 2020 by BCG TIE, the $250 billion digital volcano. Which organization disburses the 245 crore rupees worth of prize money to about 18 lakh winners under the Niti Aayog's Lucky Draw schemes, Lucky Grahak Yojana and Digi Dhan Vyapar Yojana to encourage digital transactions? National Payments Corporation of India. For latest updates, click on subscribe button so that you can get my latest videos directly into your mail. Please like and share. If you want to download the PDF file of these current affairs, please check the link provided below the video.